Here we have an access point heat exchanger, patented design, and it's 3,500 pounds pressure rated. It's a 1.5 inlet and a 1.5 outlet, and it comes with all the accessories to help with the hookup, and the gaskets and the header. And this header this moves so that you can change the angle, because say Vanguard, Honda, and Kohler have different angles in which their threaded shanks are angled at. So you can change this in the direction, have this go up and down, say for Honda, and a slight deviation on the angle for Vanguard, as well as Kohler. So there's an intermediate, and normally when we build our Blue Baron truck mounts, we're sticking with the solid header all the way across, because we know the distances and we can build it within the shop. But sight unseen, a lot of times what we'll do is send these two halves out, and a lot of my Blue Barons were built this way as well. It works beautifully. This is all stainless, and this is like a really sturdy header, all stainless, polished up, and we use the intermediate with the 2-inch clamps, and the clamps come with it as well, and the gaskets and the nuts that hold it on the exhaust port. And we also have the 6 by 1.5 pipe nipple, all stainless, and our 1 7/8 custom built hose, flex hose, stainless, that we use. And it's just a really nice setup. We'll get you into getting an easy install, much easier install when you have everything that you need. And then you don't have to run to different stores to get substandard parts and connections. You come to the professionals at Blue Baron Truck Mounts, and we'll set you up with a great heater. And there's a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. And it's easy hookup. You've got the 3/8 mil pipe thread for the hot and cold water. It doesn't matter which side you hook it up to, as long as it's in the loop. And it's just, if you need fittings, we also sell fittings, and we can help draw a diagram for your heating control system for the thermal control to show you how the heater interacts with the thermal control. And if you need plumbing, additional fittings and check valves and thermostats, we also carry that as well. So we're here to help you save money, and don't buy that new truck mount quite right away, because you know what, you might just be able to get your truck mount up and running. If you got a good engine and a good blower and pump, but all that you need is a really good heat exchanger, come to us today. Call us at 727-505-2989, or look at our store. It's a 24/7 online store, truckmountstore.com. Thank you.